What up? I'm back with another video. This is Rolling with Sid, and we ain't rolling today. We sitting in my little studio, and you know what we about to do? A little hair. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, click the notification bell for the next video. What I got here is I got some blonde or bleach, Wella, just powder bleach. You can use any kind. You can use BW, you can use Rust, you can use whatever you feel comfortable with. I got 9% developer by Wella, same brand, 30 volume. I'm going from black to here, so I need a 30 volume. I could use a 40 volume, but I'm gonna stick with a 30 volume. I might do a double 30, but that's another that's on another video. For the stylists that know what that is, that's what it is. But yeah, I'm trying to get it done in one process to get to this color. So I got the bleach already mixed up, can you see? And I'm just gonna apply the bleach all over the hair. So, maybe I should turn the music off of this. It shouldn't be on. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna apply the bleach and we'll go from there. But you can stay tuned for the process. I just put it all over everywhere. Now I started with the dark first. Started with the darker hair first because that hasn't been processed. This I actually already have, and the only thing I'm really coloring here is the root. But anyway, I'm starting with the. I should have gloves on too, shouldn't I? But I'm just applying it right now, so I'm alright without the gloves. It's summertime, you know what I'm saying? We need to get a little color going on in your hair. I had this in the winter anyway, but you know, either way, I like playing with color anyway, so we'll do a little something different, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna apply this all over my head, and I shall return. And see, I've applied it all over my hair. I actually went to put gloves on. I'm gonna let this sit on my hair. I'm gonna let it process for at least like 40 minutes. But I'm gonna process it under this cap. Like a bag of lady. You know how people look with these goddamn things on. They look like a goddamn a bag lady. But anywho, I gotta do this. And then you see I did something different too. Look, I put a little pop on my beard too. So that's gonna be a little blonde too to match the top. I might be doing too much, but this is me. It's what I like to do. So I mean, at the end of the day, aesthetic. So, you know, I always do something. I don't care when nobody think about it at the end of the day, because I do what I want, when I want, how I want. Anywho, so I'm gonna let this process, and I'll be back and let you see how it looks before I tone it. You see all that yellow? That's not the color that I was going for. That is not the color that I was looking for. So clearly, after 40 minutes, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna wash this out, because that's the longest I'm gonna let that sit. And I'm gonna probably gonna wash all that out and clearly re-bleach. That's it. Re-bleach and then tone, and I'll come back with the finished product because it's gonna be a long video if I don't. But oh yeah, I forgot to say too, I'm also gonna do a little shape up and all that, clean up because I'm a little rough. So I'm thinking, should I grow my mustache back or should I cut it off? Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about that. Like, should I grow my mustache back? Or should I cut it off? Drop a comment and let me know what you think. Yeah. So this processing has been under there for probably 3 minutes. I just forgot to tell y'all that, but either way, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Look, you see all that yellow? I don't think you can see it too good. Let's try it this way. Hey guys, I'm back. Just wanted to give an update on what it's looking like. It's been 25 minutes and I put a little foil on here to keep this bleach from drying out. Let's take a look at it, see what it looks like. See that yellow? It's bleaching up pretty good though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it sit for another 20 minutes, and then it's gonna be a double process. I can already see. I'm gonna maybe wash that out, rinse it out, and then reapply. Mix more bleach and developer and reapply it, and then we'll go from there. But so far it's looking good. Yeah, and I'm gonna trim myself up, clean myself up. You know what I'm saying? This weekend. Time to party. What is it? TikTok. That music on TikTok be having me. Be in my head. I be trying to do the dances, but I can't be doing the dances like that. Anywho. I'll be back. You see that? That is not the color I was going for. That's all the hair that was black. You see? It's like a yellowish color now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take and I'm gonna re-bleach. Relighten that part for with a 20 volume instead of a 30 volume, just to get that yellow brass out, because we're going for a white platinum, not no damn yellow. But anywho, I'll be back with that part. I'm probably gonna leave this like this stuff because I like that color right here. Yeah, I mean, anywho, I'll be back. So I'm back. I'm gonna be doing the second application and final application, and I'll tone it once it's done. But I gotta get that yellow brassy out. So I'm gonna apply again like I did before. Doing the brassy part, the darker parts first. Alright, now I'll be back when I finish applying the rest of it. Alright, I'm back. Finished look. My curls straightened out a little bit because, you know, when you bleach it, you're processing it, it takes some of the pattern out, but eventually it'll come back. Like, you see that little piece right there? It smells sweet. You go all around here. Back. Yeah, that's it. Quick, fast, done. Happy Mother's Day, everybody out there too. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video if it was helpful. If not, see you on the next video.